Welcome back, JDM Jamster Squatters. If you're watching this video, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe button, comment, share. You already know the vibe. Let's get it. Today, we are installing some fog lights, bro. Simple, something simple. And yeah, we're gonna use my homie _ Geraldo right here. Yes, sir. And look at this thing. Let's just admire this beauty right here, right? Look at it. Look at it.
Except the spare.
He's talking about the spare, but we don't care about the spare. But look at it. Look at it, bro. Sheesh. That thing is so amazing, bro. You want to know the best part about it is, too? Come on. Let's go take a look. Open the door for them, boy. Oh, yeah. Hey, huh? Yeah. Y'all see that? Yeah. And he was trying to sell it. Yeah, tripping. Talk about selling that, bro. It's manual, bro. Jesus. So today it is another sponsorship video sponsored by AUXITO. You know, Beamer voice. But anyways, yes, sponsored by AUXITO LED. We're going to do a fog light video today. I was supposed to do it on mine, but as you can see, I don't have any fog lights on mine. But Geraldo does. So we're going to get that done and situated. And yeah, and we're going to do step by step. All right, so yeah, let's see what we got here. Get a trusty little blade. Be careful. Remember, you cut away, not towards yourself. And yeah, man. There you go. All right, they got the packaging on point. All right. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that ice, bro. Wow, that is nice. And then they gave you some instructions, but you know, we don't need any instructions right here. It's simple as, it's just simple, bro. It's just simple. So that's beautiful. Geraldo already started taking, he didn't even have to take off his bumper, obviously. But, we're going to show you the light quality. We're going to show you the before on how it looks now. And then the brightness difference with AUXITO's personal LED fog lights. All right, guys. This is probably like a week later. I did have a little delay. But anyways, we're going to show you the before and after. So here's the before picture with the current fog light LEDs that he's running right now. Yeah, they're pretty decent. All right, they're pretty decent. But how much you want to bet AUXITO's better, though? Let's see that now. All right, Geraldo's just changing out his bulb now, taking out the old. See, look at that. I think that's dookie. Yeah, that's straight booty cheeks. Yeah, AUXITO for the win. You know the vibes. All right, let's see the difference. All right. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, bro, you can definitely see the difference, though. Jeez, look, you can see the glare off of this one compared to this one. Bro, look at the glare. You can see the difference right there. Mm-hmm. You see more of a glare from here, bro. Wow. Oh yeah, gosh. Oh yeah, he don't even need a headlight bulb. Look at that. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
He's fine, bro. He won't get me. All right, guys. I hope you like that video. AUXITO sent us a beautiful product with that ice in the background, and my boy Geraldo's loving it. Yes, sir. You know the vibe. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Yeah. We outside with it. We outside. So if you guys like that video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, comment, share. And if you want to also make the same purchase, AUXITO has a lot of products that they have in stock right now. You can use my discount code Jamster20. I'm gonna put it right here on auxito.com. You can also look at their Instagram. I'll put it right here, also in the link below, in the description below, and I'll put it right here also. So JDM Jamster Squatters, love you guys. Thank you guys for everything that you've done. And yes, sir, me and the boy homie. Yeah, we out.
Hit that light.